Tired of waiting forever for AI videos to render, only to have spent all your credits after one try? Same here, but I found a tool that might just replace Kling AI for good. It's called Krea AI, and it's fast, super artistic, and 100% free. Let me walk you through how it works. Krea AI's image generation is seriously impressive. I typed in slow zoom in of a nuclear bomb detonating, picked a cinematic realism style, and Krea gave me 3 high-quality images in seconds. You can even enhance them, double the resolution, or mix up to 5 different styles for a completely unique result. Now let's talk about video generation. I typed a glorified snow leopard with healed battle wounds standing on a snowy mountain, selected the only model I have access to, and the video was ready in under a minute. Compared to Kling AI, honestly, Krea held its own, and I wasn't even using a paid plan. And here's the coolest part. You can take an image and turn it into a video using Krea's Start Frame feature. Just upload the image, reuse the same prompt, and let the animation magic happen. Even on the free plan, you get a lot. 13 images, 2 videos, real-time enhancer, and access to multiple models. And if you run out, you can always create a fresh account. Just saying. So, is Krea AI worth it? Absolutely. It's fast, feature-rich, and totally free. Perfect for creators, marketers, and anyone wanting to bring their ideas to life. Let me know what you think of Krea AI in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI reviews.